Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Fire Stick add app to home screen. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add an app to the home screen on Amazon Fire TV Stick, the first method is move app from your apps. So to do this, simply from the Fire TV home screen, scroll to the apps, your apps and channels, then select See All. Then once you select See All, highlight the app you want and then press the menu button on the remote. Then once you press it, here you find the options. Simply select Move to the Front option or move and drag it to the top row. The app now appears on your home screen. Next method is add app. Right after installing, install an app from the App Store, then go to your apps and channels once again, and newly installed apps appear at the end. Simply select the app and press menu button on the remote and then select move to front once again, and then that way you can add an app to the home screen on Amazon Fire TV Stick. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.